This is another video I just done, is they putting the legs in for the bridge. That's for the gantry, for the train station, for Beckenham. And that's when they just started doing it now. And I'll show you the next part in the next video when I go back down there and I'll see it again. Then I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. This is the second part of the video of the gantry, the Transperth Metronet. This is where they put the cross bars part onto the legs of the bridge, the part of the gantry. This is down at Beckenham, and that's all they did. And I'll show you the next. And this one is that this is what those things look like, and this is what I did. I took this video when I was on the bus going home from Perth, and this is what they look like, and that's in Queen's Park. And thanks for watching this video, and I'll do the next video of more at Beckenham. And have a good day, everybody, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This is the one I done when I was on the bus. Thanks for watching. This is outside Queen's Park, on the outside the deli. And this is the other part of the gantry for the train station. And this is what they're doing now. Now this is the Queen's Park train station. Where those orange pipes are, that's where the station's going to be. Because that's all the pipes for the electrical, the water, and I don't know, and lights and everything. So this is the Queen's Park train station, and that's where it's going to be, because that's where all these pipes are on the side here, on the gantry. And I'll do more videos next. Close to that, there's the school right there. So there's the school, there's the train station right there. So there's the end there of the gantry. But that red thing there, that's where they put those big cement platforms on the stands. So it's going down, that's down Waskell Road, down Waskell. Waskell? Yeah, Waskell. So that's where that's going down there. So, and that's the red thing there, and that's what they put those things up. So I'll do more. Now these are these red things here. This is what they use to put do the gantry. That's these things there. That's what those red things for. They put those things up, and that's what that is. Anyway, so I'm just walking along. That's what those things do. So I'm walking across the road. Oh yeah, these are the old tracks down there. There used to be a ground level, now we're going to be up there. That's where it's going to be. So they're the tracks on the ground. They're still sitting there. Absolutely nothing. And there's the other side, so I'm on this side now. So to show you on this side of it. And there's the gantry right there. Now I'm on this side of the Queen's Park, so I'll just show you this side of it too. I was on the other side of the school is, so I'll just show you on this side. This is the last bit I'll be doing now anyway, because I'm going to go to the Cannington one. So this is still in Queen's Park anyway, so I'm going to do the Cannington one. So this is where the cars are coming from. That's between Cannington and Queen's Park. So I'll just show you this last part here, because I'm going to do the Cannington one. And all along there, they're going to be like parks, sitting area, family places and all that. That's where it's going to be. Now I'm just on the outside the library. And the thing of that, this is the other part of the Cannington line. And that's it. So I'm going to do a bit more of the Cannington station. This is the Cannington train station right here. I'm just outside some fucking office, so I don't care what office it is. And now this bit here, that is going down. That's another off ramp. It's going to go down, but it's a bridge over there. It's got to go under the bridge. So it's another downhill part there. That's where the train is going to go. And then it comes back up here, and that's where it stops. And then and it keeps going. I'll show you a bit more of it. Now I'm just walking now, so I just want to say is, you know, like underneath the bridge, you know, the train tracks, I just wanted to say they're going to be doing like some places where people can sit and there'll be a little play area like a basketball court or a skateboard park and things like that. That's what they're going to do under there. So, and it'll be a bus station and things like that. So that's what it will be like. So that's the new Cannington train station. Will be up here, and that goes all the way down there. So I'm going to go finish do that other part towards down where my phone's pointing. Anyway, so thanks for watching and have a good day, and that's it. No trains, you have to get the bus, like the 907. So there's the 907. But that's the end there. But there's the bridge over there between the trees. So that's the bridge. That's where the train's got to go under. So that's where it's a bit of a downhill. So that's where it's going to go. It's this bridge just over there. I'm at Oak Street, and then I'm on the opposite side of the gantry. So there's people going underneath, there's cars going to there, and so this is the opposite side of the gantry of the train station, and that's it. That's these black things I was telling you about. Now I just got a bit closer to it so I can show you this now. That's what they're going to be for the lift. So people can go up and down the train station, including wheelchairs, people on bikes, and people walking and all that. So this is at Oak Street. Yes, that's Oak Street. That's where I am. So anyway. Now this is the Welshpool train station, and the thing of that, yeah, what's left of it, so they haven't done hardly anything there. So this is, I just have to walk along. So what's left of it, anyway, is that's the legs, they're in the ground. So I haven't got much to say on this one. And thanks for watching anyway, and so that's what's left of the Welshpool train station, because they haven't done much on it, so I can't say much on here. So thanks for watching this video anyway. So I just walked down a little bit to show you this is the last bit, and that's what's left. That's what's left of it. They haven't started anything. Lazy workers, that's what they are. Thanks for watching. Now this is the video I'm doing on that now, is Oak Street. Fucking muppet. And there's the other part of it. So I'm just outside the TAFE, and there's that bit there. That's those things they come down on the truck, and that's those red things they put the platforms in place. So that's where the other part of it. There and there. And that's the other part on there. Where that black thing is, I'm not very good at pointing, that's going to be for the lift, the elevator. So the lift for the train station. So that's over there. So that's going to start, that's where the train station will be. The bus stop there, sitting there doing absolutely doing nothing. That's all it is. It's just sitting there doing nothing. And there's those red things too. How that's over those platforms. That's what they do. They put them platforms in place by using these red things. And this is the Oak Street train station. This is the end of the gantry. Where these walls are, that's a downhill. So that's when the train goes down the hill and down at the bridge, the underpass where the road is. I'll show you that bit. So this is at Oak Street train station. And there's your train station. Those black things I was telling you about, that's the lifts. So that's where they're starting now to build the train station. So this is not Oak Street, what's this one? I don't even know what the name of this street is. It's in Vic Park. This is East Vic Park. So anyway, so I'll just show you this part, and this is East Vic Park, and that's all it is. This is those black things I was telling you about. That's what they're going to be. So to show you this bit. And that's where the off ramp is. This is where the train will come down here, and then it goes under that bridge. So that's the ground level. So that's where the train will be coming down. So I'm sorry about the stupid fence. So I try and do my best. So where the end is, that's the off ramp. That's where the train will come down here, and that's all it is. And it'll go under the bridge over there. So this is the bit where the train's coming down. This is an off ramp. So you get a better view from here, not like last time over there. And the bridge is just right over there. So I'm just saying thanks for watching this video, everyone, and just showing you more of the videos of the gantry. And this is the finishing part of the end of the gantry when you come downwards from Armadale to Perth, and so that's where the train's running down back to ground level. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day, everybody. If you hear the siren, yeah, school's not on. It's public holiday. Thanks for watching. This is the third part of the gantry, the bridge, and this is at the Beckenham train station, and that's what it looks like. And this is the third part, and if you want to see any more of this, I'll be doing more later when I get around to it. Thanks for watching this video, and have a good day. This is another part of the video of the gantry when I was walking down to the bus stop, and it got longer, and they put the bridge over the road too. Now this is the video I'm doing is, now I'm going to just driving a little bit. I'm not doing it too fast so you can get a better view. I just wanted to say this is an off ramp, and this is the end of the gantry, and that's where you go. That's where the train goes down, and then it goes up, because that's the farthest it can go. But when I turn my phone, it's down the other end. So I'm just show you this bit here. This is a bit I'll just show you now, that's where the train goes down, and that's the end of the gantry. And the thing of that, I was just doing this when I'm driving the car and I wasn't driving too fast. And people don't do this stupid thing like I just did now, and it's just showing you where the end of the train station is, of the gantry, and that's where the train goes down, back down to ground level towards Kenwick. And so thanks for watching this video. And the thing of that, I was just doing this when I was driving my car, and I'm not doing it too fast, and I've been looking around to sure there's no police around, because you shouldn't be doing this when I was having your phone in your hand when you're driving along. But I was just driving it slow, and that was it. So thanks for watching this part of the video, and that's the end of the gantry when I was up to. So that's the end of the legs there, and that's the other end here. So the ramp will go down. So the ramp will go down there, and this is Beckingham. That's where I am at now. I'm just doing it for my car because I'm too lazy getting out. So that's the other part. That's the last bit there. So there's the tunnel there. I'll try to get my... Right there. That's where the end. That's the end there. That's the ramp. That's where the train goes down. Well, it's not the tunnel. It's just an off ramp. That's what it is. And there's the other legs there. One there. And there's the end right there. So that's the other end. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day everybody. This is the last video on the end, and thank you for watching this video. And I'll just show you the last of the Beckingham train station. Thanks for watching.